Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in this video guys I'm going to do an in-depth review of this iFlight 5V buzzer module that comes along with LED. So guys, as you know, this buzzer modules is super useful for the drones. If you lose the drone in tall grasses or long far, these buzzer modules are super loud guys. That helps you guys to locate your drone very easily guys, which is why it is very important to have a buzzer module installed onto your drone. Apart from unboxing guys, I will also be telling you what are the functions and features which this module has to offer. And towards the end of the video guys, I will also be telling you how to wire this onto your flight controller. So guys, ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or instructions that I have to share. Before we move further guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for my new videos. Let's get started. So guys, as always, before we can see the technical functions and features and pin diagram of this buzzer module, let's quickly unbox this and see the contents inside. As you can see guys, this comes in this transparent packaging with the branding and the barcode onto the back side and the iFlight logo and the iFlight branding onto the top transparent cover guys. So that is how it comes with. So let's quickly open this and see the contents inside. So inside guys, it comes in this anti-static packaging. It is JHE MCU. I think it is Chinese made guys, which is OEM for iFlight. So iFlight barely repacks and resells it guys, but it is made by some Chinese brand guys. But it is of good quality guys. I have already used this in one of my projects guys, or in my future videos guys. You will also see how to use this and connect it to the flight controller guys. So ensure that guys you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on those videos. So guys, as you can see, it comes in a nice anti-static packaging guys, so as to be able to prevent it from any static charges or damages that might happen during the transport. So this is a very small packaging guys that it comes with. So let's quickly open this and see the contents inside. So inside the packaging guys, as you can see, there is nothing much other than these 4 wires that it comes with: red, black, white and blue. So those are the wires that are used to connect this buzzer module onto your flight controller. So it is really nice that it is included inside the packaging, and this is your buzzer module itself. As you would notice guys, there are 4 LEDs onto the side and onto the top. This is the buzzer module and this is the place where the sound comes out. To tell you guys, this is a really loud buzzer module guys with 110 DBA guys, which is also mentioned onto the top of the chip guys. So guys, this is a really loud buzzer guys, so as to enable you guys to locate your drone from very far away guys. So all you have to do is follow the noise and then you will be able to locate your drone guys. So this is super simple guys. Onto the top guys, here you have 4 LEDs. These are all ARGB LEDs guys, so you'll be able to individually target these LEDs into the firmware and then program these LEDs for the color and the function that you can use it for guys. So that is also something really nice. So this comes with an ARGB LED, 4 in quantity, and a buzzer module into the center. Here you can see guys, it has a longer elongated hole guys, as you can see from the side. This is oval hole guys, so as to be able to give you a flexibility to install this buzzer module onto your drone frame really easily, which is also something really nice. Onto the back side guys, here you can see the pin diagram. Here you have ground, 5V LED and buzzer, minus. So that is how guys you connect this buzzer module onto your drone frame guys. So ground and 5V is to power this up. LED pad is to be able to connect the LED pad onto your flight controller so as to be able to turn on, off and control the functions of the LED which is there on this module. And buzzer minus, as you know guys, is the control pin to turn on and turn off the buzzer. If you are only going to use this as a buzzer module guys, and on your flight controller you have buzzer plus and buzzer minus, so buzzer plus will go on to 5V and buzzer minus will go on to the buzzer minus pad. So that is how guys you are going to connect it. Onto the side guys, here you have an output pin guys. This is nothing more than an extension of the LED port that you have here onto this module guys. So other than 4 LEDs, if you want to extend the LED function guys onto other LED module guys, you can connect it via output port. So the LED signal comes in from this LED pad and then it is transmitted out using this output port that you have. So that is how it looks like, guys. Let me show you guys a close-up view of this so as to give you a better view of this. So guys, here as you can see, this is clearly marked as ground. So this is the ground port that you have to connect the ground. This is the 5 volt, guys. It is written here as 5 volt, which is barely visible. I don't know if you can see it is a 5 volt pad here. So this is the 5 volt pad, guys, and then you have LED and buzzer minus, and this is your output port. There are some more ports here, guys, which is also available to connect. This one is your 5 volt, ground, R and T. So you can also connect it to the UART to power this module and power this using 5 volt and ground. So that is also you can use it for, guys. But that is all what you have on to this module, guys. This is a 5 volt buzzer, guys, with 110 dBA noise level, so as to be able to locate your drone really easily. So that is what you have. This is your buzzer module onto the top, guys. Here you can see the output section, guys. That is where the buzzer sound comes out, and these are the 4 LEDs onto the side. These are all ARGB LEDs. Now, guys, let me quickly show you on how to connect this onto the Speedybee F7 flight controller and control the buzzer function and LED function of this buzzer module, guys. So let's quickly see that. So guys, as per the wiring diagram goes, this buzzer is very simple to connect. It does not have a lot of ports to connect onto your flight controller. Here, as you can see, I have a Speedybee F7 version 2 flight controller. I have few pins available to connect this buzzer onto this flight controller. Here you have 5 volt, ground and LED, so as to be able to control the LED which is there on this buzzer module, and then buzzer plus and buzzer minus, so as to be able to turn on and turn off the buzzer which is there on this buzzer module. Onto the buzzer module, guys, here you have ground and 5 volt, as you can see here, LED and a buzzer minus. So these are all pins that I'm going to use. Output pin I'm not going to use because I'm not going to further connect any LED in series to this buzzer module, guys. So this port is of no use. Here you can see you have an alternative port available as well. So voltage, ground, TX and RX, so that you can control this buzzer module using UART, which also I'm not going to use. So here you can see, guys, my LED pin goes directly onto the LED port of this buzzer module, and then I am powering this up using the 5 volt which is coming out from buzzer plus, or you can use any 5 volt pad which is available on your flight controller. Here you have another 5 volt port with the LED so as to power the LED module. So either you can power it up using the 5 volt here or buzzer plus pad here on to the flight controller. So here you connect the 5 volt, ground to ground, LED to LED, and then buzzer minus to buzzer minus. So this is a simple connection, guys, so as to be able to connect this buzzer module onto this flight controller. In my future videos, guys, I will also tell you how to solder these pins onto your flight controller, and also how to configure this buzzer module and LED module in your firmware of the flight controller. So ensure that, guys, you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on those videos. So this is it, guys. This concludes this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for my new videos. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.